Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Tip, Tricks and Tech. Today I'm just going to do a small video. I just had a flat tire. If you look at it, that's my car, and then that's a loaner. So I just had a flat tire, so I'm just gonna share my experience with the Tesla on a roadside assistant service call. So what happened is I was at work, and then I work night, so when when I ready to go home in morning 7 o'clock, when I looked at it, my rear passenger side was flat. So I called the customer service, and what they did was they told me they will give me a loaner wheel. So if you look at it, this is a loaner wheel. And what happened is so I called them. They told me they will give me a loaner wheel, and made a service appointment for this wheel. So this is my original wheel, and if you look at it, I have a hold on, let me see if I can show you. See, I have a huge nail here. So I hope I can fix this tire. Anyway, so they're going to come to me and fix it. It's going to be Monday. So I had this flat on Friday. So they made an appointment. So they gave me an appointment already to fix the tire. So with this video, I'm going to update you on how much it will cost me to fix it or to replace it. So I have a 2020 Model Y. So this tire is a 20-inch tire. So I'm going to update you on how much it will cost to replace the tire. Okay. So anyway, I'm so happy with their service. So within an hour, they actually came with the AAA people. I think they have linked with AAA. So the AAA guy came and gave me a loaner wheel, and then they gave me. Usually they will take that wheel to the service center, but my what they offer me is they will come to me. So they will come to me Monday to fix the tire. So that's all for now, and Monday, once I fix it, I'll take a video and update you on how much it cost and how was the transaction and everything. Okay, so let's wait and see. So guys, today's the day they come in to fix my car. I parked all the way down. I don't know if you can see, it's down there by the fence. I parked it somewhere that you can access to my rear wheel. So he just called me. He's gonna be here in 10 minutes. All right, so they fixed the wheel right here. So the gentleman came, and I parked the car here so that they have easy access to this. He came in a van, so make sure you have you parked somewhere that they can access to. So I'm at work right now. I couldn't come when he arrived, but anyway, my total was 86 bucks, and I asked him what if I had to change the tire. He said it will be between 350 and 400. So I'm so happy with the service because I was working, and then he just called me when he arrived, and then I opened my car and opened the trunk for him, and that's it. And he did the work, everything, and then he sent me the invoice at the end, and hands up to Tesla on their service on this. At least I'm so happy about this, and only spent 80 bucks, and all that's convenience for me. So guys, I had a wonderful experience with Tesla, and I'm going home right now. So you can see, let's say if it was a regular car and not a Tesla, what would happen if you have a flat? Either you will have a spare tire, then you have to change it by yourself, and then you drive the spare. Then you have to go to a service center or like a tire repair shop to fix the tire. Or let's say if you call it AAA, all they do is they will just change the tire. Or if you have a run flat tire, what you do is you just have to drive it to a service center or car tire place, and then pretty much they will replace or they will fix the tire for you. But I had a BMW before, and it was run flat tire. What happened was I had a flat tire, and then I drove it to a service center. They told me they don't have that specific tire. Now what happens? Now I have to wait, but I cannot drive the car. So they don't have the service. And then I called around. It was a Goodyear tire, and then they didn't have it. And then I had to wait till 2 days to get the tire to fix it. It was a pain in the butt and horrible thing that cars don't. Nowadays, cars don't come with spare tire. And if you go to a service center, they may not have an appointment for you, or you will spend a whole day there. You will have to take a day off from work. See me, I went to work, and my day did not even affect it. Like I said, if I had to change the tire, I mean, they charged me $80, which if I go to a tire shop, they probably fix it for $20 if it's local, or maybe max $50. But think about the convenience. They came to give me a loaner within an hour, and I drove the loaner tire like a regular tire for like 3 days, and then Monday, today, I didn't even have to go to their service center. What I did was just go to work like a regular day, and then he just came, and I didn't even have to go to the car or open the car. I didn't even see this guy. I don't even know how this guy looked like, because I was busy at work. I couldn't come out. I had an emergency, so I couldn't come out. And then so I opened he called me when he came here, like I already told you. I opened the car, and then everything went smoothly, and I'm driving the car back home like nothing happened. What a convenience, guys. This is what Tesla, at least the roadside service and the home service, like those are the best. Nobody else has it, or they offer it. But like I said, I have a horrible experience at the service center servicing, which is they have to improve it. But their home service and the service that they will come to you and do it, that's top notch. Anyway, thanks for watching my video. If you like this video, please consider sharing with your friends. And if you wanna buy a Tesla, if you haven't bought a Tesla yet, please feel free to use my referral link. You will get a 1,000-mile free supercharging. And also, if you planning to have a solar, I have a solar videos in my channel. Please check that out. And if you haven't subscribed my channel, consider subscribing. And I will come out with another beautiful video. Till then, it's me, Aldo, signing off. Bye bye.